So ito yung nachos na isa sa mga famous dito sa kanila. Nakikita yung sa likod ko. So i-massage yung mukha mo, ulo mo. So 30 minutes.
A burger with fries with nachos and cheese.
What do you want, Sandra?
The same thing. Yeah,
Same thing?
The same thing, but
With Kuya?
Why you take a video of me? Don't you dare.
For kids, we have soft drinks like Coke Soda, Fanta.
Can you please put some ketchup? Cheese, you like ketchup?
Okay, let me confirm. It's one burger, one order nachos, French fries, two Coke Sodas, two Fantas. Okay? You can give me the room number, please.
521 Sunset Avenue.
521 Sunset pa rin.
521.
Yes.
Yes?
521.
Okay, perfect. Oh, God, that's big Spanish. May I come back?
Spanish.
I come back now.
Okay, thank you.
So magpapahinga muna daw saglit. Tapos
Ay, huwag ka niyan, mamaya iiyak mo naman dyan.
magpipitch na naman silang dalawa.
How's this ball? Haha, your ball.
Sanda?
More ball.
So that's fries now? Is that your order?
No,
And the sandwich?
I ordered.
So just the
I ordered the hamburger.
patty and the bread,
I ordered the hamburger with the fries with the nachos.
nachos.
Nobody got the point. No, I'm sorry.
Share with Sandro. Is that share with Sandro?
¿Cuál es el nombre de la canción? DJ.
So, ganito, kahit na all-inclusive kami, hindi rin kami nagsasayaw ng pagkain.
That works.
So, isa lang yung order namin kasi alam ko na hindi na lang mag-ubus din. Pero later on, no, if you need more, you'll order more. But it's not because it's
I'm gonna give you
all-inclusive,
a
you
point.
don't just
Okay, I'll find
order and not eat.
You tell me.
You don't want to waste
For
it.
Elenita, Elenita, give un punto más, one more point para Elenita. Vámonos para esta, 2 points for this one. Vámonos, pump it up, DJ.
Thank God.
Ito na yung Mexican na nachos. Yeah, this is the Mexican nachos. This is the original one. With the fried beans, guacamole.
Le gritaron por allá, nada más porque no los escuché. A ver, stop, DJ. Amigos, ¿cuántos puntos quiere ver a la siguiente canción?
So ito
3
yung
puntos.
nachos
Okay, 3 points for the
isa
next
sa mga
song, guys. Vámonos and pump it up, DJ.
famous dito sa kanila. Nachos. So yung spa na sinasabi nila, pupunta ka dito sa kanila. So libre din to. Kasama to sa binayaran mo pag pumunta ka dito sa Cancun. Nakikita yung sa likod ko. So i-massage yung mukha mo, ulo mo. So 30 minutes siya. So after nun, bigyan mo rin ng tip.
Mag-subscribe ka bayan para ma-update kita sa mga bago kong upload na videos. I'm Rico, Kabayan Republic. Maraming salamat sa panonood, kabayan. See you next video. Maraming salamat.